Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I am continuing line graph data interpretation. Here I am continuing line graph data interpretation. First of all, we need to read the information which is provided in this line graph data interpretation carefully, and then according to the given information, we need to solve the questions. First of all, read the information which is provided in this line graph data interpretation. Here the information is about number of computers manufactured and sold by various companies in a year. Here the information is very clear. How many computers are manufactured and how many computers are sold in by various companies. Here the companies are company A, company B, company C, company D, company E. These are the five different companies, and how many from these five different companies, how many computers are manufactured and how many computers are sold. That is the given information. And one more thing is, whatever the values which are provided in this line graph, all the values are in terms of lakhs. Number in lakhs indicating that here this particular value is 30, which indicates 30 lakhs. 30 lakhs is the value. If this value is 25, that is 25 lakhs. If it is 12, if it is 10, 10 lakhs. Like that you need to take into consider. Okay. Now, look at the first question. That is the given information. Based on that information, we need to solve the questions. Look at the first question. Here the first question is, what is the respective ratio? Here we are calculating the ratio. Ratio of which numbers we are calculating? Number of computers which are manufactured by companies A and C together to the number of computers sold by companies A and C together. It is very clear that we need to calculate the ratio of number of computers manufactured by companies A and C together to the number of computers sold out by companies A and C together. Here, whenever you are calculating the ratio, it is not required to take in terms of lakhs. Directly you can take the number. Here we are talking about company A and company C. So, company A manufacture value. Company A manufacture value 10 and company C manufacture value, which is between 5 and 10. 5 and 10, that is 7.5. 7.5. So this value is 10 plus 7.5. 10 plus 7.5 lakhs. And next, sold. Number of computers which are sold. Here this is between 5 and 10, that is equal to 7.5, and company C, which is 5. Now you just add these two. 7.5 lakh computers are sold from company A, and 5 lakh computers are sold from company C. Right? Now you just add these two. What you will get? 17.5 is to, here it is 12.5. 12.5. Here decimal point both are cancelled. Now you just cancel with 25 table. 25 sevens are 175. 25 fives are 125. Therefore, the required ratio of number of computers which are manufactured from companies A and C together to the number of computers which are sold from the same companies A and C together, which is 7 is to 5. 7 is to 5 is the right answer for this question. Once look at the options. Among the options, option D is the right answer for this question. Option D, 7 is to 5. Let us look at the second question. Here the second question is, what is the difference between average number of computers manufactured by all the companies together to the average number of computers sold by all the companies together? See, first of all, we need to take the difference between which values. Note down that value. Difference between average number of computers manufactured, average of manufactured computers manufactured to the average of number of computers which are sold. That particular difference you need to take. Here average is nothing but, basically average is equal to what? Sum of observations. Average is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. Average is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. Sum of observations is nothing but number of computers manufactured or sold. If we are talking about manufactured, if you are calculating average of computers manufactured, then you need to take number of computers manufactured across the companies, across all 5 companies, divided by number of companies, divided by number of companies. Now number of observations is nothing but number of companies. Now first I will calculate average of computers which are manufactured. Average of computers which are manufactured, that is equal to, first take all manufactured values. Manufactured values are definitely greater than the sold values. Here it is 10 and this is 15 and it is 7.5. This is between 20 and 25, which is 22.5, and it is 30. Therefore the required average is equal to number of computers manufactured, 10 plus 15 plus 7.5 plus 22.5 plus 30 divided by number of companies. How many companies? Total 5 companies we are taking into consider. A, B, C, D, E. Total 5 companies. Therefore the required average is equal to, required average of manufacturing is equal to, add all the values. Here it is, this is 30, this is 30, 60, 60 plus 10, 70, 70 plus 15, 85, divided by 5, which is equal to, here it is 17 times, 17 lakhs. Average of all the average of number of computers manufactured by all 5 companies together, which is 17 lakhs. That is the required average of manufacturing computers. Now I have to calculate average of computers which are sold. Average of computers which are sold. Note down the values over there. Here this is between 5 and 10, therefore 7.5. And next one, this is between 10 and 15, so this value is 12.5, and it is 5. And it is between 50 and 20, 17.5. This is 25. Note down, write down all the values. 7.5 plus 12.5 plus 5 plus 17.5 plus 25 divided by number of companies. Number of companies are 5. Here 12.5, 7.5, that is 20. 20 plus this is 30, 50. 50 plus 17.5, 67.5. 67.5 divided by 5, which is equal to, just cancel with 5 table, 5 ones are, and next 1 is left over, 17. 17 means 5 3s are, and next 2 is left over, 5 times, 13.5 lakhs. Average number of computers which are sold. Average number of computers which are sold, that is equal to 13.5 lakhs. Whereas coming to average number of computers which are manufactured, that is 17 lakhs. Now you need to take the difference between these two. Here it is 17 lakhs. Here it is 17 lakhs minus number average of computers which are sold, that is 13.5 lakhs. The required difference is equal to, here it is 3.5 lakhs. 3.5 lakhs. 3.5 lakhs is nothing but 3,50,000. 3,50,000. That is the required difference between average number of computers which are manufactured and average number of computers which are sold, that is 3,50,000. Here 3,50,000, it means 35 is followed by 4 zeros. So this is not your answer. 3500. 35 is followed by only 3 zeros. This is not your answer. This is 35,000. Here it is the answer. 35 is followed by 4 zeros. That will gives you the answer as 3.5 lakhs or 3,50,000. You can see the option D, that is 35 is followed by 5 zeros, that is indicating 35 lakhs. So this is also wrong answer. Therefore our required answer is option C. Option C is the right answer for this question. See the next question, third one. The number of computers sold by company B, the number of computers sold by company B are what percent of number of computers manufactured by company B, rounded off to 2 digits after the decimal point. Here we need to calculate the exact answer up to 2 decimal digits after the decimal point. Now, what is the question he is asking about? Here we need to calculate the percentage. What percentage? Required percentage is equal to number of computers which are sold by company B divided by number of computers which are manufactured by company B. And whenever you are calculating the percentage into 100, percentage symbol common, right? Whenever you are calculating this particular these kind of percentages, company B sold articles, what percentage of company B manufacture? So first write down company B manufacture and sold values. Manufacturing is 15, whereas number of computers sold, that is 12.5 lakhs. Therefore the required percentage is equal to required percentage. Sold values are 12.5 divided by number of computers which are manufactured, that is 15. 12.5 divided by 15 into 100 percentage. Now you just do the calculation. I am just writing 12.5 as 125 divided by 150 into 100 percentage. Now you just cancel with 5 table. 25 table. 25 5s are 25 6 times. And next 2 3s are 250s. Therefore required percentage is equal to 5 into 50, 250 divided by 3, that is equal to, here it is 25 by 3, that is 8 times, and next 1 is left over, 10 means 3 times, 83 point, still 10 is left over 3 times, again 10 is there 3 times. You want up to 2 decimal digits, therefore your required answer is 83.33 percentage. 83.33 percentage. It means that the value of number of computers which are sold by company B is 83.33 percentage of number of computers which are manufactured by the same company B. 83.33 percentage. That is our required answer. Once look at the options, option A is the right answer for this question. Option A. Next question, fourth one. The number of computers manufactured. The number of computers manufactured by company D are what percent of number of computers manufactured by company E? Here also we need to calculate the percentage. What percentage we need to calculate? Required percentage is number of computers which are manufactured. Number of computers manufactured by company D is what percentage? That particular value, what percent of number of computers manufactured by company E. And whenever you are calculating percentage into 100, percentage symbol, that is a common point, right? Therefore our required percentage is equal to, here we are talking about company D and company E, both the companies, company D manufacturing, company E manufacturing. Company D manufacturing value, that is between 20 and 25, which is 22.5, whereas company E, that particular value is 30 lakhs. Now note down their values exactly. Manufacturing computers from company E, that is 22.5 lakhs, divided by company E manufacturing values, that is 30 lakhs. Into 100 is common point. Whenever you are calculating percentage, into 100 is common point. Now you just write down this value as 225 divided by 10. 10 into 30, that is 300, into 100 percentage, into 100 percentage. Here two zeros gets cancelled. Now you just cancel with 3 table. 3 sevens are 3 sevens are 21, still 1 is left over, 15. 3 fives are. Therefore our required percentage is 75 percentage. 75 percentage. It means the meaning of this question is number of computers which are manufactured by company D, this particular value, that is 22.5, this particular value is 75 percentage of number of computers which are manufactured by company E, that is 30. So both values are equal. Both values are equal. This is number of computers manufactured from company D, and this is number of computers manufactured from company E. Here the answer for this question is 75. Among the options, option C is the right answer for this question. Option C. Look at the fifth question, that is the last question in this session. See here. Here the question is the number of computers manufactured by company B. Number of computers manufactured by company B are approximately what percent of number of computers manufactured by all the companies together. So here we need to calculate the approximate percentage. Here we need to calculate the approximate percentage. Approximate percentage of what value? Here the percentage which we need to calculate is number of computers which are manufactured by company B. This particular value, what percentage of total number of computers which are manufactured, total manufacturing computers, total manufactured computers, and by all the companies, not the single company, by all the companies A, B, C, D, E, by all 5 companies. And whenever you are calculating percentage into 100, percentage symbol, that is the common point, right? So first write down all the manufacturing values including A to E. Here all the values. First value is 10, second value is 15, third value is between 5 and 10, which is 7.5, and fourth value is between 20 and 25, that is 22.5, and fifth value is 30 lakhs. All the values of lakhs, so not required to write down in terms of lakhs. Why? Because in the denominator also you will be having lakhs only. Therefore the required approximate percentage is equal to manufacturing computers in from company B, that is 15. Numerator value is 15. Now coming to the denominator, in the denominator you need to add all the values, all manufacturing, total manufacturing computers in each and every company. 10 plus 15 plus 7.5 plus 22.5 plus 30. That is the total manufacturing units. And into 100 is common point. Into 100 is common point. Therefore, the required approximate percentage is equal to 15 by, add all these values. Here this value is 30. 22.5 plus 7.5, 30. 30 plus 30, 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 70 plus 15, 85. 15 by 85 into 100 percentage. Now you just cancel with 5 table. 5 3s are 5 17s, which is equal to 300 divided by 70. That is our required answer. Once you just cancel with the 17 table. 17 ones are 17, and next 13 is left over, 130. 13 is left over, and next it is 17 sevens are 17 sevens are 119. 17 sevens are 119. Point. Still 11 is left over, 110. 110 means 17 17 sixer. 17 sixer, that is 102. 17 sixer 102. Still 8 is left over, 80. 80 means 17 fourser. It means we need to calculate the approximate answer. We don't want to calculate the exact answer. If you want the approximate answer, this is this particular value is 17.64 and so on. There is no end to that number, right? Approximately, according to the options, our required answer, which is close to 18 percentage according to the options. Therefore, the required percentage, approximate percentage, is 18 percentage. 18 percentage is the right answer for this question. 18 percentage. It means among the options, option B is the right answer for this question. Option B. Guys, in this way you need to solve the questions based on this model. I hope you understand each and every problem in this session, and then thanks for watching.